Welcome back, guys. My name's Tom Gant, and today we're crafting a tiny top hat. Now, to make our tiny top hat, we just need half a piece of black paper. So I've got my A4 piece of black paper that I'm going to fold in half. And then we'll fold back the other way. Flatten it out, just so it's easier to cut. And cut down that fold line. Okay. Now we'll put one half off to the side. And now with this piece, we're going to turn it on the side, fold it in half, fold it back the other way so it's easier to cut, flatten it out, and then cut down that fold line. Okay. Now we're going to put one half off to the side, and then with this piece we're going to turn it on the side. We're going to grab our glue and we're going to put glue down one edge. Then we'll pick it up and we'll roll it into a nice tall cylinder. We've got a nice tall cylinder for our top hat. Now the next step is to grab your scissors and we're going to very carefully cut some slots that go all the way around one end of this cylinder. Okay. Now once you've cut the slots all the way around, we're going to fold them out just like this. So they're nice and flat. Okay. Once we've got that, we're going to put it off to the side. We're going to bring back that other half of black paper we had. We're going to turn it on the side. We're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to fold it down in half again. Now this corner that contains all of the folds, we're going to keep note of that. We're going to draw in two curved lines. One. And then we'll go down to the corner and draw a nice big curved line. Just like that. So it kind of looks like half an upside down rainbow. Now keep in mind that this is where all the folds are, in the corner here. So once we're happy with it, we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to cut around these curved lines. Okay, we'll do the same to this one. these off into the bin, and then we'll unfold the brim of our hat. Okay. Now you'll see this hole in the middle. It needs to fit around our cylinder. So you can see mine's a little bit too small at the moment. So I'm going to fold it up and make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Unfold it and see how we're going. Again, just a little bit too small. So we'll fold it up again and we'll cut off just a little bit. Being careful not to cut away too much. Okay, we'll unfold it. See if it fits. And we've got the brim of our hat looking good. Now the next step is to glue it on. So we're going to take it back off. We're going to grab our glue. We're going to put some glue on the inside edge. All the way around. Okay. Now we'll flip it over. Carefully put it back down. Then we'll go around pushing our little gluing tabs into all of that glue. And we've got our tiny top hat coming to life. Now the next step is to grab our scissors and put some more slots all the way around, just like we did before. But this time, we're going to do it to the top. So trying to make them all the same length. Once you've got those slots cut in, we're going to fold these tabs inwards. Okay. There we go. Now once you're happy with the height of your hat, it's time to make a little circle to cover up the top. So we're going to bring back the other half of our paper from the very beginning. We're going to flip it over and we're just going to trace out a circle just in the corner. Now we only need a little bit of this paper, so we are going to use just the corner. And we don't want to waste any paper. We'll do our best to trace around that edge. Go. Now that we've got our round shape drawn in, we can cut it out. Okay. So we'll put this off to the side for another craft. We'll bring back our hat and we'll see how the sizing is. And it's perfect. There we go. Now we're going to grab our glue. We're going to put glue on this round shape. Going to grab his hat, put the lid on, okay, and then we'll flip it over, and using the back of a pencil, we're going to push those gluing tabs into the glue. And we've got our top hat looking good. Now the next step is to add some decoration around the base. We're going to add a nice red band just to bring it to life and make it look a bit more interesting. So I'll take this, move it off to the side. Now I'm making a red band for my top hat today, but you can grab any colored piece of paper you like. And we're just going to cut off a nice thin rectangle. Okay, put this off to the side for another craft. We'll bring in our hat and then we'll get some glue. We'll put some glue just on one end. And we're going to glue it to the base, just like that. Then all you need to do, grab some more glue, put some glue on the other end of this band. And we're going to wrap it round, gluing it wherever it lands. And we've got a nice tiny top hat. Now if you've liked this one guys, hit like, hit subscribe, make lots and lots of tiny top hats, and I'll see you next time.